My name's Critter.
And I'm Cornbread.
I'm from Severna Park, Maryland.
I'm from Bloody Harlan, Antarctica.
You're watching Live to Thrill. Yellow!
Alright, getting ready, heading to the desert.
Hey man, glad you could join us, bro.
I'm glad someone could fucking give me a wake-up call. 7 o'clock.
Fucking snoozed in.
Wake-up call, you motherfucker.
So what's up, Derek? Yeah, it's cracking. So, we're going deep into the mountains here.
I wouldn't call this mountains, buddy.
Well, they're hills. Dirt mountains.
Desert hills.
Technologically, they're still mountains.
Technologically.
Technologically.
Going off the grid.
Yeah. Here's a big one right here. Hold on, it's on the next one. So we're gonna do some goddamn shooting today. Here, boys. Here, boys.
Almost here.
We've arrived. This is what we're gonna be shooting today. It's hot, y'all. It's gonna get hotter. Might be a little miserable. I just took a little spill. To fight and the ground broke on me. But just getting crap out now and should be good to go.
And this little piece will break off inside and fester.
Explosion. Pull.
That was 2 hits on 1 clay. I like that.
Pull. Alright, so we heading up here. Go check out this cave downrange. There's this cave down there that they went into. That was pretty sick. Here's this cave, y'all. Check this out. It's so hot out. The freaking meth heads living under here, bros. Damn, dude. Oh, bat!
Yep, there's a bat right there.
Yep. Damn, dude, that was sick.
Well, there's water on the ground too.
Yeah.
That bat just flew right back out the other side.
Yep.
You want to head back in there?
Yeah. Wow.
And that's new smoke, so that means there's squatters out here building fires.
Squatters. What are you, John Wayne? John Wayne. Engines.
Engines. Alright, now you need to go run in there, Outlaw, with the camera and see if the bats attacked the
Bats attack.
this vlog.
Alright, y'all. Here, let me get the good flashlight. Bats attack. Here we go.
Dude, I'm putting my glasses on.
Oh, shit, son. Damn.
Yeah? All the way.
Oh, shit. Here's the bat, dude. I gotta zoom in. It's staring me down, bro.
Nice.
Is that bad? Alright, we're mixing up this Tannerite here. Put it in this box, along with a bunch of shit buds and snatch skins. And we got a couple roadies in there to see what survives or not. I think I know the answer to that already. These are all the shit buds that people sent in when we came out with the roadie. They're broken shit buds. This should be fun. We got about 14 pounds. We'll split it in two.
Jeff,
Here you go.
So gotta do is mix the black.
So you think we get pulled over if I was driving back in just my boxers? Boxers and boots, bro.
Are they briefs or boxers?
They're briefs. They're boxer briefs.
You'll be good.
They're boxer briefs.
You're good, dude. Just say they're chubbies.
Yeah, I was freeballing the other day with just fucking some loose khaki shorts, right? And I put my foot outside the fucking door well, and it creates a nice pocket, right? And then I'm thinking about it, I'm like, shit, I'm freeballing it. Someone might be seeing my package right now, like when I'm driving up the highway.
A bunch of waves.
Yeah. I'm thinking I'm getting the Jeep wave. In reality, it's like left nut wave.
Some hair on.
Like a bag of weed. Put 2 bags in there?
Alright, so we got this shit in here. About 7 pounds of Tannerite. We're gonna take these fucking shit buds.
But the fact of knowing that this is going to cause a very hard explosion, and I've got it on my lap right now, sitting on my sack.
Oh, we got a snatch skin spitter in there too. Isn't that fucking special?
Got Kyle Busch coming too. Just don't put it too. That's funny. Heading out.
I was just checking the radio. Watch out for rattlers.
Make them
They'll
go
fucking get you.
Say to the left and make them go to the right.
Woo! Shit. First shot, boys.
Did that echo?
Yeah.
Next.
Oh shit, dude, look at the wood. Watch out, wood's coming in.
Oh my goodness.
Hold on, range hot still.
Range hot. Go get your fucking camera.
Fuck, man. That is gonna look sick, dude. Alright. We're gonna go check if the GoPro's still there. Should be funny. Hopefully it's not destroyed. Still there? Aftermath. Alright, I don't know if y'all can see this, but this big cloud you see up here on the base of the mountain range, you can see the freaking smoke. Actually happened to be a tanker blowing up on the highway. So we'll definitely get closer and we'll check back at you.
Oh yeah. We got planes just coming in.
Yeah. Damn, son. Excuse me.
Yeah, it's on the other side of the freeway. So we're gonna go around it.
Oh, yeah. Orange and yellow. Or green and orange, green and orange.
What is he wearing, dude?
Look at his fucking cowboy hat.
Richard Petty.
Fucking teal fucking lid on.
Like a Richard Petty.
Matching shirt.
Oh.
Oh no.
It's a fucking Mexican.
Look at them tassels, bro. Back to TJ, you fuck.
The back opens a fucking taco shop and shit.
You know he's got dingo balls hanging from that fucking roof in that thing. Yeah.
Paladine.
Oh yeah, look at all these fucking...
The shit you see on a freaking interstate, bro.
I just did a 1 post and a half.
that's sick.
I got it perfectly. Shit. That's where it happened right there. Everything's burnt.
Fuck police.
After this one. Oh, you about to turn up, kids. You about to turn it up.
You said turn up and it turned the radio turned yourself down. Oh man. It's good. Long day of shooting.
We're about to party. No way.
You look like a belly dancer. Belly dancer getting the head in a chair by himself. It makes it so much better with the motion of the camera. Alright y'all, I apologize, but last night was one of the only nights I've been too drunk to upload a video. So it's the next morning now, and I've just been editing all morning. So 2 videos are up today, so this is the final one for the day. But if you want, and if you haven't yet, go watch the one that I uploaded earlier today as well, because I uploaded 2. So there you go. I just want to get caught up again, but yeah, last night was crazy. But I hope y'all stay tuned here on Live to Thrill for some other killer shenanigans we're gonna get on here in California, and should be freaking fun. So we'll see y'all tomorrow. My name is Outlaw, and I'm out, y'all. And always remember to live to